recording. Stop recording. Button.
This is actually the first capturation of this sound I've got today, and I'm proud of myself.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lawrence County, northeastern Jasper County, Dade County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight
Basically
Time.
an extension.
6:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Golden City, or 12 miles southwest of Greenfield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
It sounds like it'll be.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
It's practically an extension of the last warning for Lawrence, Dade, and Jasper.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stockton Lake, Greenfield, Lockwood, Everton, Danville, Avila, South Greenfield, Arcola, Red Oak, New Denville, Maple Grove, Pennsboro, Yala, Cedarville, Minard, Sylvania, Vorna. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Dade, Jasper, and Lawrence.
Dade, Jasper, and Lawrence.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Lawrence, eastern Jasper, and southwestern Dade counties. At 5:53 p.m.
Alright, we'll be back.